Hey, this is Scott Rulon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing CityTradeBank Review, Scam or Legit 7% Daily ROI Crypto MLM Company. You know, there's a lot of these companies out there online, and we're just going to take a look here to make sure this is legit or not. I've been an accountant for over 33 years and have looked at hundreds of companies in that time, and I am actually able to discern whether this has the elements of a scam or not. So please feel free to like, comment, share, or subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can receive future videos. So on with our review. CityTradeBank Review, Legit 7% Daily ROI or Scam. Welcome to my third-party unbiased CityTradeBank Review. You should probably know that I am not an affiliate here, so that I can be 100% unbiased when I talk about this. Here's the latest cryptocurrency MLM to launch, and I decided to take a closer look. I'm not sure if you'd be interested, but probabilities are someone approached you online about their daily returns and the passive income opportunity, and now you came here to make sure it's on the up and up. What happens next is I'm going to guide you through the company, products, and compensation plan so you can make an opportune decision. Just pay close attention and peruse this, or rather listen to this to the end. Now, before we jump right in, do you want to know a 100% legitimate way to make an income at home? What if you could build a passive income stream that's actually passive? An income stream that doesn't require being on the phone all day, wasting hours of your time chasing people who no-show, trading your time for money, having financial stress during a bad month, or letting someone else take control of your fate. Just like you do at a job, an income stream that brings in regular revenues each and every single month from the low of a couple $1,000s to well over $10,000. Certainly doesn't happen overnight, but it can happen. Here's an example of one student that made this happen. They made over $1,000 commission with one sale. You can look at this on my blog site, myfinancialfair.com. Take a look. See if it sounds interesting to you. So, what is CityTradeBank Review? We're going to review what it is, what kind of products they offer, how to make money with CityTradeBank Review, what type of investment plans they have, CityTrade compensation plan, the cost to join CityTrade, what other CityTrade reviews are saying, and does the CityTradeBank scam exist? And if so, if you're tired of scams, look at my #1 recommendation. CityTradeBank specializes in cryptocurrency trading, but also operates in real estate, land, property, banking, and international trading. This company was incorporated in the UK on January 27, 2022, under the name CityTrade Group Limited. Nahid Hassan is the director of the company, but of course I could not locate any information on his leadership or anybody else's leadership anywhere. The domain citytradebank.com was privately registered on January 1st, 2022. So, for a company that claims this on their website, we comply with all the applicable national and international laws, regulations, and conventions in the countries where we do business and adhere to good corporate governance practices. We value transparency in all transactions, complete fairly, and only do businesses with partners who follow the relevant laws and comply with our company's requirements. Of course, they lack any transparency because they offer securities. They have to be registered with the FCA, that's the UK's financial regulator, basically the equivalent of the United States SEC. But there is no registration that seems to exist. Simply having a UK incorporation certificate doesn't mean you are congruent with national and international laws. But let's take a look at the products next inside of the CityTradeBank Review. So here's a copy of their website. I would strongly encourage you to take a look for yourself and see if you can see anything that I found. See if you can find who the directors are, who owns it, who runs it. So CityTrade promises they specialize in mostly crypto trading. which, by the way, is their service offering. However, digging deeper into that, I couldn't find any proof of it. You know the saying, trust but verify, walk the walk, and talk the talk. Or rather, talk the talk and walk the walk at the same time. Anyway, what you can do is begin as an affiliate and begin investing in the company. As an affiliate, you can also recruit new affiliates into the company and produce a commission on their investments. Other crypto MLM companies that I reviewed that are similar are Zion Finance, Hyperverse, Intelligence Prime Capital. So you can take a look at those on my blog site, myfinancialfair.com. So how do you make money with CityTradeBank Review? There are two ways to make money with CityTradeBank or Citibank Trade. First way is for you to invest in one of their investment plans and receive a guaranteed return. Second way is to recruit new affiliates who invest and start earning a commission. Overall, CityTrade has 8 plans you can choose from in total with different minimums and durations. So the first plan, investing from $20,000 to $100,000 and receive 3% daily for 90 days, all the way up to the 8th plan, investing $10,000 to $100,000 and receiving 220% after 90 days. Wow, what a deal. So if you want to look at the other ones, you can certainly look at my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, and investigate this closer. So please understand that payments are accepted for deposits, RPM, BNB, Litecoin, Dash, and Bitcoin. CityTradeBank Compensation Plan. CityTradeBank pays their affiliate commissions through a unit-level compensation plan that pays 3 tiers in total. Affiliates earn a percentage of the invested funds down their downline. At the first level, 5%. At the second level, 3%. And third level, 1%. So what is the cost to join CityTradeBank? CityTradeBank membership is actually free, absolutely without cost. But if you want to be part of the investment opportunity, you must invest anywhere between $20 and $100,000 in cryptocurrencies they support. So what are other CityTradeBank reviews saying? Well, almost 100% are affiliate driven, and clearly they didn't do any research into this company. They took their word for it. So instead of investigating, they are asking you to join because they earn a commission on your investments, which is honestly pretty sad, because I believe if you're going to share an opportunity, it should truly help your members and be 100% legit, like this one. Does CityTradeBank scam exist? Well, let's just look at the facts. First, we have no idea who runs or owns the company, which goes against their so-called transparency they are claiming. Second, they have a UK incorporation, but they also need to be registered with the FCA to offer guaranteed returns. Once you start guaranteeing returns, it's considered a security, and you need to be registered with your national government. Now that they have crypto trading happening, now they claim to have crypto trading happening, but I couldn't find any proof of it. What I did find proof of is new investments paying off existing members, which makes this company seem like a Ponzi scheme. With all the Ponzi schemes, once recruitment slows down, an exit scam will trigger, and 99.9% of investors will lose out. You'll be holding an empty bag with no shoulder to cry on. Do not invest in this company. I do not recommend it. Now, if you want something 100% legit and proven, keep reading. So if you're tired of scams, here's my #1 recommendation. If you landed on this blog, you actually want to know how to build a profitable business online. Yes? First time we're ever offering a business course that helps build any business online, including network marketing. You're going to learn exactly how to drive your ideal customer to your website, collect their emails, and convert them into buying customers without ever having to talk on the phone. So I don't know if you'd be interested in building your own business, but if you will go to the description field below, you can partner with me and learn about how to build your own business online. Because once you learn the skill set and the mindset, income can literally become almost without limit. And I have personally generated 6 figures in different business niches. So every single person gets a one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is done properly. So here's some different people that did stuff on ClickBank, people that did stuff on Entra. We have complete newbies who are just getting started and making their first commissions online, and then we have students who have been with us for almost a year and they're completely crushing it. The digital economy is the #1 online business model for just starting out. Whether you've made a single dollar online or you've exited it in this space for a short or long term, what never really made it? Digital real estate is for you. Follow me on Gab, Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. I'll see you at the top. Thanks, Scott Rulon.